So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito kabola, we are back on the grind kabola. Alam kong matagal po tayo nawala at pamok-graph lang po tayo in the past few days, pero unti-unti po natin ibabalik itong sigla. Dito po ang ating mga channels, and we start po with this very hot. Started of course by the king of trade rumors, no bad regarding Cedric Beerfield, diba? Sa first post niya, rento, malayo malarating ng batang ito pertaining to Cedric Beerfield kabola. So of course, wala namang magdi-disagree dun sa post na yan, kabola. Kaya naman, hindi agad ito. Kumbaga, nag-trending sa trade rumor. Pero, siya din po mismo nag-post ng isa sa mga analysis ng nag-comment na si Sir Jasper Romero. Tunay na talento TNT, mararating heading batang na referring, kabola, to these players and the possibility nga, kabola, that they will be used po as the trade package to get ito pong si Beerfield. So is ng batang heading niya ito per Beerfield good trade or fair trade? For me, that's a fair trade, no? Value-wise, kung total mo yung value na tatlong na yan, I actually think hanalo pa dyan po ang Blackwater Elite kabola. Now, before we talk further about the trade rumor, let's revert back muna and look at the standings. And fans are actually very happy with the standings that they are currently looking at. Kasi makikita mo dito, dalawang SMC teams ang winless. San Miguel Beermen and of course Magnolia Hatchets is truly struggling kabola. TNT even, na kahit may ball sila, is 1-1 pa rin. Kaya naman kabola, teams are now, or fans are now asking kabola, happily, if dumating na nga po ang pinakahihintay po na parity po sa liga. Unfortunately, I am here to say the reality. In a way po, yes, maganda pong panoorin as elimination round kabola, especially Terra Firma is rising in the standings. Pero at the end of the day, what truly matters kabola will be what will happen in the playoffs kabola, di ba? Para masabi natin na na-onda pat na tayo sa parity, dapat kabola, ang isa sa magiging finalist sa Commissioner's Cup nito ay hindi San Miguel Beermen, hindi TNT, hindi po Magnolia, hindi po Ginebra, at hindi po Meralco Bolts. Kung dalawa na naman po sa finalist is coming from that 5, then that means yung parity po na hinihingi natin o hinihintay natin is hindi pa po dumarating kabola. Now let's go back to the trade rumor that we're discussing. Of course, nagkaroon po ito ng update kabola. Kasi nga po, nag-post na po talaga ng isa pong column, kabola. Si Homer Jackson, dito nga po sa spin at dito niya sinabi, kabola, the possibility na ito pong si Pugoy ang main po na iti-trade po ng TNT, pong si Beerfield, kabola. At of course, madami agad umalma dyan dahil nga po sa age disparity between the two. Pero for me na, arguably a top 25 player. So, him as the center of the trade package is actually good. Ang dapat na lang po na yan kabola is ano pa yung dadagdag po ng TNT kung sakali. Pero paglabas po nito, nag-deny din po actually agad po ang TNT. Pati po ang kanila pong team manager na si Jonas Lastimosa denies it heavily. Kabola, just wanted to clear things up. There's no trust whatsoever to the rumor of Roger going anywhere. Roger is the pillar of TNT. Kabola. Unfortunately for TNT, kabola, they do have the history of trading, kabola. They're legends. Remember, they let go of RDO, they let go of Alapag, kabola. Now, of course, we are hopeful that Blackwater will keep ito pong si Beerfield, kabola. Kasi that is what is needed for the parity of the league. Kabakabal, sabihin mo, mapapanalitili ka na ng Blackwater si Beerfield sa kanila. Kami lang po, so